Alrighty, so what we got here is a very abused and beaten up Hampton Bay Wellston ceiling fan. I bought this fan, well, I didn't even buy it, someone gave it to me, along with another fan, which is right here. But yeah, this is a very beaten up fan. These Hampton Bay Wellstons are pretty childhood fans to me, like very nostalgic. I used to have a bunch of these in my old house, so it's very sad to see one very beaten up like this. The switch housing is really, really bent, but yeah, there's the light. Then demonstrate on low speed. I'm gonna try to fix this fan up as much as I can. This might be like a pre-restoration video. But yeah, it's really beaten up. Here's low speed. Faster than I remember. I don't know if that's just because the capacitor is like messed up. But yeah, way faster than I remember them being. Alright, now we're gonna turn on the light. Alright, now here's medium. Even though it's really beaten up, it's moving a really, really good amount of air. It's relatively quiet. Here's the light. And here's high speed. But yeah, hopefully I'm able to restore this fan. I really would like to put this in my bedroom and use it, because I really like these fans. It's moving a really good amount of air for how beaten up it is. Here's the light. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.